morning, guys. Welcome to my kitchen. It's early this morning. It's almost about 6 o'clock, and I'm going to be making some, how you call it, some salmon that I've already prepped and had it in the fridge for about a day and a half because I made it very late a day ago. So I just seasoned it and kept it in the refrigerator to marinate. So I'm going to make them. Excuse my nails. Your girl hurt herself. I slammed my finger in my friend's car door. Oh my God. That's one of the most painful things I have experienced. It's been a little, maybe close to or over a month, and it's healing. This is coming out, and I broke out a piece of it, but then I realized that the more I break it, the more it leans towards the front, and if something touches it, it hurts. So I'm letting the nails just do its thing. Here and there, it gets hooked on stuff, but I'm not intentionally touching it just because I don't want to be in pain. But that's what's going on. This is what my other nails looks like. Where is the camera? This is what they both looked like prior to this happening. So yeah. So I'm trying to see how well this can be, this can heal and regrow without much pain. But anyway, I'm about to make this on the pan, and then I'll just put some heavy cream on it and throw it in the oven. That's the plan this morning. And I usually like to eat these with sweet potato, which I make really easy. Sometimes I make in the oven, sometimes I just throw in the microwave and use the baked potato setting on there, and it does the job. If you want to look crispy like it's in the oven, you rub a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil on it, and just once it bake at that first level, that's like 6 minutes, you can put it back in for another 2 to 3 minutes depending on the size of the potatoes. It comes out really good. So I've been doing that, and I've been using some whipped cream, no, sour cream with it as well on my potatoes, and then my salmon. That's how I like to have it. Anyway, let's get started on getting this on the fire, okay? So I got my butter that I just opened up, just regular land or lakes butter. I took 1 stick of it, and I'm gonna do it more like frying it. So I want it really brown on each end. I'm trying to make it melt. So you're gonna see that the butter looks a lot, but it's all right. That's how I want it. Because this one, I really want to make it look more like more of frying it, and then I put it in the oven. By the time it's in the oven, it will be most likely close to done. But I just want to add, like I said, I want to add my a little bit of heavy cream on it, and I have some cilantro I cut out here. And y'all, Bobby bought some pizza yesterday, and for some reason I ate a lot of the potato grains, so I said I wasn't eating, and he shared some with a friend that stopped by, and this slice left this morning, so I'm eating it. Why are leftovers so good, y'all? This leftover pizza is delicious. And it's just your regular old Little Caesars pizza, the cheapest brand or kind. It's this one, and it tastes really good. So let's go into making this. Okay, so our butter is melted. I already have these really seasoned with garlic powder and everything else that needs to be, you know. I'm gonna set this right here. I'm just moving it so it doesn't stick. And I'll go ahead and do the bigger ones. I'm hoping they all fit in here, because I just want to do one batch and be done. Okay, these other ones are not big, so I should sneak this up in here somehow. So this is like a whole salmon I bought and had them cut it out for me, and these are the pieces that came out. So this I'm going to put in my, once it's baked, and once this is done, I'm going to put this on it like little juice like, plus this, you know, to keep the season going. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I will show you guys once I flip it over. I will show you guys what it looks like. So this is how brown I wanted them. Like I said, I wanted them to look brown on each side, and I just flipped it over. So I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and then I will just add all the rest of my ingredients. Like I said, the cilantro, not cilantro, actually, there's celery. I added some cilantro on this when I was like prepping it, so I'm not going to add anything much, just my whipped cream and that, and the residue from here. I'm going to add some water in it and put it over before putting it in the oven. So it's about time now for me to prep my oven. I'm going to take these out. I usually keep my extra bowls in here, baking bowls in there. So I'm going to turn the oven on and you know, get things started. I'm going to put it on at 400. You could do it anywhere between 350 to 400, and that's fine. I choose to put it at 400. And I have just one pitiful little potato in here. I might throw in the oven, or I might just do it in the microwave. Like I said, I usually keep potatoes with me at home, because it's like my easy go-to. Like I said, I always keep sour cream at home as well. So I wash this up. I'm gonna wash this up. I haven't washed it up yet. And yeah, get it ready. I may just be lazy this morning and throw it in the oven. Okay, I'll get back to that, and I will show you guys as things progresses with our salmon, because that's what we're cooking today. So I have added the celery, and now I'm going to add the heavy cream to it. I usually buy smaller whipped cream, because I had a situation where I bought a big whipped cream jar, and then I didn't use it early and it went bad, and I just felt bad about that. So this whipped cream, I have used it before. Let me get some water in here, some heavy cream, right? I keep saying whipped cream. So I've used it before, and now I'm going to use these. Yep, so I have rinsed that. I'm gonna set this aside. Whisk, whisk, whisk. This is just a juice, and I'm gonna add it on here. So this is what it looks like right now, and my oven is ready, so I'm about to cover it with some aluminum foil and put it in the oven. All right, and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. So let's see the final product. It's been in the oven for a while now. I'm going to pull it out. Usually I like to set it here and then get my balance and put it. So this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. And this is my potato I made in the microwave. I'm about to serve me a piece of salmon with it. And I use my lactose-free Green Valley sour cream. A little bit of that and a piece of salmon. I will be eating soon. Join me if you can. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for always coming to support me. And I appreciate you all. Bye.